Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 2 power 2x plus 3 plus 1 is equals to 9 times 2 power x. So let's start with the today's video solution, and here we have to find the value of x. So let's start. So first we know the rule of exponent, that is a power m plus n. We can break it as a power m times a power n. So I'm going to use this. So we can write it as 2 power 2x times 2 power 3 plus 1. I'll take this term to this side. So minus 9 2 power x is equals to 0. Now we know the exponent rule, that is x power m power n. We can write it as x power n power m. So here we can write it as 2 power x power 2 times 8 plus 1 minus 9 2 power x is equals to 0. So here we can write it as 8 2 power x whole square minus 9 2 whole power x plus 1 is equals to 0. So let's make a substitution. So let's substitute 2 power x is equals to a. So 8a square minus 9a plus 1 is equals to 0. Now it's look like a quadratic equation. So we are doing middle term split. So 8a square minus, we can write 9a as 8a minus a plus 1 is equals to 0. Now from first two terms, I can take 8a as common. So a minus 1 is left. And now from the next two terms, I can take minus 1 as common. So a minus 1 is left. So if I take a minus 1 as common, so 8a minus 1 is equals to 0. Now we have two roots, both are equals to 0. So either a minus 1 is equals to 0 or 8a minus 1 is equals to 0. So this minus 1 goes to other side, gives us plus 1. And here 8a is equals to minus 1 goes to other side 1. And here if we divide both sides by 8, so it becomes a is equals to 1 by 8. Now we know that we make a substitution. So we replace this a with 2 power x is equals to 1. So we know the rule, a power 0 is equals to 1. So 1 we can write it as 2 power 0. So if we compare, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So in this case, the value of x is 0. Now comes to this. Here we again replace a with 2 power x is equals to 1 by 8. So 2 power x is equals to 1 by 8. We can write it as 2 power 3. So according to exponent rule, 1 by x power m, we can write it as x power minus m. So 2 power x is equals to 2 power minus 3. If we compare, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So in this case, the value of x is minus 3. So we have two values of x for this question. So either x is equals to 0 or x is equals to minus 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.